Events the week. Last night we caught Zac Efron and Britney Spears on a date. But wait to see what happens when Zac Efron tries to make his move.
What's that smell?
I don't think it gets any better than this.
Did you just say Zac Efron? Oh my God, Nick! What's going on here?
I don't know.
But here, have this.
Thanks.
What's that smell? It smells so hot. I love you, Zac Efron!
Wait, if you love the ladies, then try Renoxamin. Call 555-0121 or visit ilovedeodorant.com.
Oh God, oh wait. This commercial is sponsored by Bald People Who Need Help. But first, one more thing. This is for going out with Zac Efron. Let's get out of here, guys.
Hello? Is anybody here?